Alright guys, I had some internet issues. I think it should be resolved now. So let's quickly look at updates again. So you can see here S&P 500 is near the neutral zone, and you can see Hull moving average is blue. That means the trend is upwards. So I think we could go from here to this 44.78 because of Hull moving average. It's telling me the chances of going higher are better than going lower. So as of right now, it's up 0.2%. We can still go around 0.42%, which will be perfect area to take profits. Nasdaq 100, it came from buy zone to the sell zone, and now it's in the neutral zone. And then you can see, sorry, let me turn in case anybody wants to chat. You can see it's in the neutral zone right now, and still same thing here. Hull moving average is telling me that we can still go to 15,397. That could be our target. So from here, we can still go pump to around 0.67%. Chances of going up is more than going down. And Dow Jones in the higher end. So 34,657 is looking for selling here, and Russell 2000 is below neutral zone. If its Hull moving average is turning red, I mean purple, so it can go lower. So 1847 is where you want to buy IWM ETF. Apple is looking okay. I was telling everybody look to buy. You can see below third standard deviation yesterday, and it's bounced from there from third standard deviation to neutral line almost 3.8%. Okay, I think there are still chances. There's a gap here around 181.52. Still there are chances it can go to try to fill that gap. You can see it's touching this neutral zone multiple times, not able to go above that. It's acting as a big resistance. So if it can break this resistance, it can still go higher. So let's see, from here we can still, it's possible we can get another 1.2% pump. It's to be seen. Do we get that by the end of the day? Let's see how it goes. And triple Qs, which is Nasdaq Cash Index, you can see it's near neutral zone. There's a gap around 377.93. That's my target. Gold, basically from the sell zone coming back to buy zone. Let's see if it comes back below. If it comes back 1916 and below, look to buy. Silver also 22.57 or 58 and below, look to buy silver. Natural gas in the neutral zone, but it's showing me bearish here. You can see Hull moving average turn kind of purple. Bearish pressure. I think it's coming down from here. It was in the sell zone here, so you should have taken profits as per my update and these zones. So it could come down to 22.658. Look to buy here. Crude oil still a massive bullish move here, getting closer to sell zone, consolidating. Let's see if it goes back down. So far, this could still be going for another leg higher. Dollar in the near the sell zone. I really hope dollar can. You can see it came to the buy zone this morning. If you watch my video, I was telling it could come to buy zone and then bounce exactly what dollar did, and now it's going higher. So stock market and gold was going lower, and now dollar. If dollar weakens, then we could see a pump in the stock market and Bitcoin. So let's see how it goes, and let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin down 0.81, 0.85% because of dollar, but still in the buy zone, just touched the buy zone, 25,793 and below. That's the buy zone. Ethereum also touching the buy zone, 1625. It's right in the buy zone as of this recording. And let's see any stocks. Tesla is down, getting closer to buy zone, 245.23 and below. Look to buy Tesla. Microsoft near sell zone. Actually, it's very close to this gap fill. I will check later on end of day if it filled. Netflix near neutral zone. Nvidia, let's see, very close to buy zone. So 455.48 and below, look to buy Nvidia. And let's see what else is interesting here. Bond market in the middle. Copper is in the buy zone. Palladium, uh, 1185 and below, look to buy. Wheat, getting closer to buy zone. 570 and below, look to buy. Corn also 4.8 and below, look to buy corn. And let's see, sugar. Sugar is also right now pumping. So let's see, sugar, it's above neutral zone, but below this red line. So let's see, it could get some bearish pressure on sugar. Let's look at gold miners right now in the middle, neutral line. GDX below buy zone 28.22 and below. There's also a gap fill here around 28 bucks. So if it comes below, fill this gap, that will be good area to buy gold miners. Sector wise, XLK in the middle, XLE in the sell zone, XLV healthcare coming closer to buy zone. There's also a gap around 131.72. XLU utilities very close to sell zone. XLI industrials in the buy zone. Industrial, good time to buy industrial stocks. XLR real estate getting closer to buy zone 36.5 and below. Look to buy financials bouncing from the buy zone in the neutral zone now. Regional bank ETF KRE also bouncing from the buy zone. Let's look at stocks. Shopify coming closer to buy zone 63.21 and below. Look to buy. Nike is already in the buy zone. Boeing is in the buy zone, looking very interesting below second standard deviation. Very good time to buy Boeing as per my indicator. Procter and Gamble still higher. Let's see what else is here. UNH still higher. ABBV, Pfizer. Pfizer is in the buy zone. So you can see that Chinese stocks, Alibaba, they were in the buy zone. You can see it as third standard deviation in the morning, now just consolidating. Baidu is also in the buy zone. Uh, Banks, Canadian banks are bouncing. BMO still in the buy zone. Royal Bank is in the buy zone. TD is in the buy zone. Bank of Nova Scotia in the buy zone. CM in the buy zone. National Bank bouncing but still in the buy zone. American Bank, Citigroup is in the buy zone. JP Morgan bouncing but still near buy zone. Goldman Sachs in the middle. Bank of America in the middle. CP Rail, railways are in the buy zone. CP Rail is in the buy zone. CNI also, both railways are in the buy zone. WCN is in the neutral zone. Let's look at growth stocks. Nikola down 13, almost 14% in second standard deviation buy zone. Lucid Motors in the buy zone. NEO in the buy zone. REIT coming closer to buy zone 10.62 and below. Square near third standard deviation in the buy zone. SE not yet there. AEHR near neutral zone. Plug is in the buy zone. Palantir in the neutral zone. Target is in the buy zone. Zoom $71 and below. Look to buy Zoom. Again, so let's recap and see where we are. Right now, as of now, Nasdaq is in the neutral zone right in the middle. S&P 500 is also in the neutral zone right in the middle. And Russell 2000 is below neutral zone. And Dow Jones is above neutral zone. So let's see, it's all going to be depending on Apple. If Apple bounces from here, tries to fill this gap around 181.52, that's going to be very bullish for the entire stock market. All right, guys, good luck with your trade, and please hit the like button on your way out. Take care. Bye.